Okay, people, what's going on, folks? What's happening, people? People. Wednesday. Wednesday, you know what Wednesdays are? Wednesdays are Top Earners webinars. How's everybody doing on this Wednesday evening? We're in the sub-zero climate today, folks. Sub-zero. You hear me? I'm talking about we got up to 1 degrees. It was down to 4 below earlier. This is some crazy ass weather we're in, people. Crazy. What's going on here? I'm trying to get. Damn, what's going on with this? I'm looking on my laptop, and I'm doing some things when I'm doing this thing on here, trying to using my Mac and my laptop together, make sure all this stuff is working correctly. Let me see. Where am I at? Okay, let's go. Okay, yes. One of the things I want to talk about today is biggest problem in the direct sales network marketing in their way of always inviting. The two notorious statements that I always come across in network marketing, people, direct sales and inviting. Are you open to other projects that won't interfere with what you're doing? Well, or are you open to making extra money? Those are two notorious, hear me, two notorious opening lines that are taught in network marketing. Y'all need to cut it out, okay? Everybody's heard it, okay? One of the biggest problems I have with this is that if you're approaching somebody online, look at their profile first, people. Stop inviting people that already got something going on, okay? Stop inviting, trying to prospect people, that are already involved in some kind of business opportunity, network marketing, whatever, all that kind of stuff. You're wasting your time. Most people are happy with the affiliates they are with. But the biggest problem with a lot of you guys, you think you can change their mind or persuade them to come aboard with what you got. The biggest problem with that is that you guys need to understand something. All of them are about the same in some sort of fashion, okay? Stop trying to persuade, convince folks to join your opportunity. What the whole industry needs is training, re-education. If you want people to get interested in your opportunity, first offer something that can help them solve the problems that most network marketers have. There's a big issue in the industry still that most of them are looking for training. They're looking for what their uplines have promised. They're looking for time management and freedom, which most of them are not getting because most of them are still taught to actively prospect, okay? That's why I wrote the book on the 5 keys of success in online marketing, knowing the difference between prospecting and marketing, okay? That's a book that I have on Amazon. I'll leave the link if you're interested in purchasing that book. I'll leave it on after this video. You got to understand something. People are not interested. Quit trying to prospect. Quit trying to trick people into joining your deal. You need to help people solve issues within the problem, or not the problem, but the opportunity that they're with. You guys are always trying to prospect instead of solving problems. Business is about solving problems. If you want to make money in this thing, you better learn to solve problems. Okay? Quit prospecting people for your opportunity first. One of the biggest things is market has changed. People are tired of folks coming up there. Are you open to an different project? Hell no, I'm not open to another project. What I'm open to, can you solve some of my issues? Okay? One of the things you need to find out, can you solve some of my business issues? If you can't, move on. Nobody is interested in joining an opportunity like that. Most people understand that, been there, done that, and they're tired of that. They're tired of people prospecting. They're tired of people trying to get them in their deal. What they want is training. Okay? They want training. They want opportunity to leverage their time and get their time back. They don't want to be joining other people's opportunities. They're happy within their own. Stop it. You're wasting your time, and you're giving the industry a bad name by always prospecting people for your deal. Nobody wants to deal with your deal no more. Okay? The industry needs to understand that. Okay? Too many of y'all in this industry are always out your upline still trying to prospect them, but they don't give you opportunity to train, to offer to this, because they got this attitude about cross-lining. Okay? We're all in the same opportunity. Okay? We're all in the same direct sales industry. Okay? And if all y'all are trying to sell the same shit to people, it gets to be everybody gets to know that. Okay? There's very few of us still in this business that are offering solutions to the problems of online marketing, trainings, and all other stuff. There's very few of us. There's so many still out here trying to get everybody into your deal. Come on, join my deal. Are you open to a different project? No, I'm not open for a different project. Stop asking me that. Okay? I'm not open to a different project. If I want a different project you're looking for, I go online and research yourself. Today, people, there's so many opportunities out here, so many network, direct sales, whatever, affiliate, whatever they are. What the problem is really giving people solutions to the issues in their business. That's what you need to be understanding. Nobody's doing that. This is why I promote our top earners training every Wednesday. Okay? We have a top earners training every Wednesday night. They've been doing this training for the last 10, going on 11 years. Okay? Network marketing people don't do that. All you guys want to do is show the marketing plan, the compensation plan. And most of the time, the compensation plan don't make you no damn money. The income, the price to income ratio is so low, it's hard to make money in it unless you have a big ass team. It takes too long. Today, time is a commodity. Everybody don't want to waste their time trying to build a big ass team by running around prospecting, doing 6 foot rule, all that kind of shit. People are tired of it. Don't come to me with that, man, because I'll tell you, I ain't interested. I'm not interested in that kind of way that I used to be part of that stuff. No, I'm still part of a network marketing affiliate, but I don't work the business that way. Okay? I don't work the business nowhere like that way. I don't have time. Stop prospecting people about your deal, talking about a side project. Ain't no side project. Nobody wants another side project. They want training to solve some solutions. Understand that, folks. And that's what's happening with all these young ones that are coming in here. They still teach these guys how to, are you interested in a side project? Fuck no, I'm not interested in a side project. I got enough projects of my own. What do you got to help me solve some problems? If you don't have nothing to solve a problem, if your upline doesn't teach you how to solve problems of business owners or affiliates or whatever online, you're wasting your time. He's wasting your time, because just marketing and showing a compensation plan in network marketing ain't getting it no more. It ain't got it for the last 10, 15 years, really, tell you the truth. And they still teaching that kind of bullshit. The only people that are getting that kind of stuff are already made it now. I know I'm stepping on a whole lot of damn toes, but you got to understand, there needs to be a lot of retraining. There's a different attitude in the marketplace. There's a different want in the marketplace. People are tired of always being prospected about some deal. A lot of people got their own deals. How do you solve their problems? is the deal that you need to be discussing. Stop trying to get people in your opportunity. They're not interested. Most of them are not interested. Most people are not interested in getting into another opportunity. Unless you first can solve their problems, maybe they may look at your opportunity. But first and foremost, you have to solve a problem, if they even have one. If you want to learn to prospect correctly, learn to solve some problems, people. Learn to solve some problems. People are tired of everybody trying to get them in their situation. And there's so much that way of dealing today. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's very saturated. People are looking for other ways of doing business besides prospecting, compensation plans, and all that mess. They're not looking for that. Okay, they're not looking for compensation plans in those deals. They're looking for ways to solve problems, and most of them are looking for ways to solve time problems. Especially people my age, time is of essence. I'm not looking to build another thing or job. Help me solve issues with what I'm doing now. If you can do that, maybe we can talk. If you cannot do that, you need to keep walking. And that's the consensus for a lot of people today. If you don't understand that, keep going doing that way. People are not, they're tired of all the mess of prospecting. Okay? If you want to have success in this business, you got to learn to do other things besides prospect. You got to find out what issues people have in business. If you can't do that, you can't help nobody. Okay? You can't help nobody without that. Without understanding that the needs in the marketplace, and the needs in the marketplace is leverage. Okay? That's what the needs are. You got to understand that's the needs, because people are just not interested. They're not interested in getting into other people's deals without solving the problems in the deal that they got. That's what you got to understand. Most of you are not doing that. You're not understanding that they need that kind of stuff. They're not looking for another opportunity to work, because if they can't make that one opportunity work that they're in, I'd be damned if they're going to want to join something else. It don't make sense to. In a way, you coming off to people with this interested in another project or open to different opportunities. People are open to different methods of training. That's what they're looking for. They're not looking to be on another get into another opportunity. I sure am. I'm not. Why? You can't make one work, you ain't gonna make another one work. Plain and simple. So, and like I said, tonight, I need to leave a link for that too. Tonight, we have training. And we have a training that's free. And a lot of people like free. And I'm not gonna say it is not free. We got training tonight, 9 p.m. There's a lot of y'all. Let me try to put this up. There's a lot of y'all are looking to for training, like I was saying. Let me put this up here. Training. I'm gonna leave a link here for you to register for this free training, and this is it's on how to monetize Instagram. I know some of y'all on here want to learn how to monetize Instagram. Well, we have a free training tonight. Leo Getz and his wife, they're doing a free training tonight, 9 p.m. I forgot to put that in. 9 p.m. tonight, Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested in learning how to monetize Instagram. That's what's going on tonight, 9 p.m., people. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, with that being said, I've been on here 15 minutes. Hello, Catherine. How you doing? If you got value from what I'm saying, share it out. If you know some people who want to monetize Instagram, invite them to this training. You can, let me see if that refreshes. You can register it on my link. You can register on my link here. The link right here, you can register. Oh, right here, I should say. Greg Smith Solutions Online. Check out my book on Amazon, 5 Keys to Success in Today's Market. Okay? That's my latest book on knowing the difference between marketing and prospecting. That's my latest book. Okay? I don't know what's going on here. Am I losing the connection? All right, people, that being said, I'm going to get off of here. Let me get off. Let me go back. I'm going to get off of here. People, you be safe. Stay warm wherever you're at. Most of the Midwest and Northeast is under sub-zero weather. You hear me? Sub-zero weather. Keep warm. Another day of this, and they're supposed to be getting warmer. Peace. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video.